Welcome back. As y'all know, here's my helper. I get a lot of my material from right here at Action Upholstery down in Sarasota. Here's the phone number, website. These are my old staple pullers. I've been using this one for God only knows how long. This one feels like a part of me, part of my hand, but today I got a new one. And it's this one right here. It's gonna help. This is it. CS Osborne. New tool. Go along with all them ones. And Copper's hunting something right now, but let's find out how it works. Alright, so I got a couple of staples, some decorative nails, and some tacks inside a PVC board and some plywood, and we're going to test out and see how this thing does. It gets in there pretty easy. Look at that. It gets that 1/4 inch out pretty easy. There we go. This is the one that I was used to right here, trying to dig up in there, but I'd have to do it twice. I like this because I can get them out pretty easy the first time. See, this is a 1/2 inch staple. Look at that. Pretty easy. Shit, I like it. What about this one? Gets those nails out pretty easy. Now the tacks, like butter. Let's try the PVC board. Start with the 1/4 inch staples. Pops them right out. 1/2 inch. It'd probably go a lot easier if I wasn't sitting on my stool too. 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. Much easier than I'm used to. Damn. Here was the tacks. Easy. And that's it. It's the Osborne Tool Company. CS Osborne. Get it from Action Upholstery.